So I just got this new leather care kit that I'm going to be showing you how to use. It's really awesome. It comes with a leather cleaner and then also a leather conditioner. So it's everything that you need to take care of your leather furniture. You can use it in the car, you can use it in the house, with furniture, shoes, anything that you have that's leather. I'm going to be showing you how to use it today on the couch, and then we're also going to be using it with some shoes and on some handbags. It comes along with both the leather cleaner and the conditioner, and then also 2 cleaning rags. So 2 white microfiber towels that go with it to help to use the product properly. They come along in these bottles that have screw-on tops, and then they also have the spray attachment that you can use with it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use these. So I'm just going to start showing you how to use this product, starting with the leather cleaner. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it right here on the arm of the sofa, and then using one of our towels to wipe and clean any dirt that's on the surface. A little bit of a stain over here, and just wiping it clean, and it came right off. And then making sure that it's totally dry. And as you can see, we really picked up a lot of dirt from the surface of the leather sofa. So from the surface of the sofa, of the arm, picked up a lot of dirt. And then next we're going to go ahead and condition the leather. So using the leather conditioner, just spraying it on. And then using our dry and clean rag to wipe in and rub in that leather conditioner. So this is going to help to keep our leather furniture from cracking or from getting dried out. It's going to help to make it last a lot longer. It also smells really nice and gives it a really lovely shine after you're finished. So I'll go ahead and clean my whole sofa, and then I'm going to also be able to use this on shoes or on handbags or anything else that we have that's real leather. We've received this sofa used. We actually got it from a friend, and they had dogs, and so we always kind of had a little bit of a dog smell on our sofa. And the one thing that I'm the most excited about for this cleaner is that it actually helped to get rid of that smell. So when I used the cleaner at first, you could actually almost feel the smell lifting out of the sofa. So you could smell it a little bit stronger than you normally do, and that's part of the pH balancing. And then cleaned it off, and then when I went back in with the conditioner, it actually got rid of that smell completely and left a really nice fresh scent. So not only is my couch nice and shiny and hydrated, but it also smells a lot better than it previously had. So I'm really excited about this new leather cleaning kit.
With me here, I have this leather cleaning kit. So it's not just for cars, it can also be used for couches, handbag, shoes, leather belts, whether you have a leather jacket, all of the above. It does a great job, and there's no odor, so you don't have to worry about it smelling bad, and you can get it nice and clean. In this kit, it comes with 10.2 ounce bottles, and there's not just one of them. It comes with 2 of them, and you have the spray caps for both. And then it also comes with a microfiber cleaning cloth. And here are the 10.2 ounce bottles. And like I said, it does come with 2 of those. So you are definitely getting your money's worth. And it doesn't come with just 1 towel, but it also comes with 2. Like I said, this leather cleaning kit is not only used for car seats and interior, but also the other things mentioned earlier. It's really suitable for all types of leathers, whether it be seats in your car, jackets, shoes, even sneakers. So anyone that has leather in their home, these products are perfect for them. So we all need to treat our leather like we treat our hair and our skin. We clean our skin and hair regularly and use conditioners and lotion to keep our skin hydrated and fresh. So the pH value of this leather cleaner is actually balanced to achieve the most effective cleaning and maintain not only the strength and durability, but also the appearance of the leather. It really penetrates into the pores of the leather to lift and suspend dirt and oil. So it's not only fast and it's not only simple, but you can also have fun with it. No one really likes to clean, but if you use a product that makes it quick and easy, it will definitely make it more interesting. So both of these products are simple, easy to use, and doesn't leave any residue like soap or cause any fiber degradation of your leather. So it's perfect and definitely safe for you to use. So with this product, it literally makes your leather look brand new. This cleaner is not only colorless, but also odorless and can penetrate into the pores of the leather, lift and remove dirt and oil, while the leather care agent has a subtle leather scent. It also contains vitamin E and can nourish the leather and help reduce UV damage in your car. With this product, a little bit goes a long way. So the company's products have been formulated so you get a lot of uses out of each of them, making this kit an amazing value for the 2 bottles and 2 rags. It's perfect for using, like I said, for cars and also for any leather items you may have in your house as well. But you can see that beautiful shine on this brown leather after using the leather cleaner. This company has a customer satisfaction guaranteed. So obviously I love these products. I know you'll love them, but they want you to love their products too. So they will make sure of that and handle anything as it comes up and definitely replace or refund you as needed. But I mean, come on guys, look at this. And I love how it's odorless and still adds that beautiful shine to make the leather look brand new.
All purpose is no purpose. At Trinova, we make products on purpose. From granite to fabric, wood to leather. Trinova's developed specific formulas for specific tasks because your home, your car, and your pets deserve specific care. Clean, protect, and renew with a purpose. Trinova, uncompromised care.
Wyman restores and revitalizes leather with ease. Formulated with 3 natural conditioners, Wyman Leather Conditioner renews leather's soft, supple feel as it cleans. Just spray, wipe, buff, and see your leather revived to its original beauty. Try Wyman Leather Conditioner on furniture, shoes, bags, and car interiors. No wonder more people trust Wyman than any other brand.
When selecting a leather care product, it's important to first evaluate the condition of your leather. For leather surfaces that are older and neglected, we recommend using a 2-step approach for best results. Start by using Meguiar's Gold Class Leather and Vinyl Cleaner to remove any dirt and grime, following with Meguiar's Gold Class Leather Conditioner to moisturize, condition, and protect the surface. If your leather surfaces are only lightly soiled or you are looking for a quick and easy solution, our Ultimate Leather Detailer or Meguiar's Gold Class 3-in-1, available in different forms, are your best bet. These 3-in-1 formulas easily clean, condition, and protect in one easy step.